The secret about the last interview with Bob Mabena. In an interview in 2017, the radio veteran opened up about being fearful of having a heart attack. In an interview with Breaking News 3 years ago, radio and TV legend Bob Mabena opened up about his fear of dying due to a heart attack. On Monday, news of the veteran star's death after suffering a cardiac arrest sent shockwaves through the nation. The star, who won Zanzi's heart as a host on several major radios and TV shows, told Breaking News in 2017 that he was determined to go back to the gym because he had lost too many friends in the prime of their lives and he didn't want the same to happen to him. He added that he worried about dying of hypertension, diabetes, or high blood pressure, and did not want to risk his health. Radio veteran Bob Mabena has revealed some of his biggest fears as a 48-year-old man, which include being diagnosed with a lifestyle-related disease, which he said could be avoided by adopting a good diet and regular exercise. Speaking to Breaking News, the radio personality explained that he had stopped going to the gym, but that since then he has buried a scary number of friends to diseases like diabetes and hypertension. I stopped going to the gym sometime last year. It's not even old age, I just got lazy. But now I need to attack the damn thing growing pot belly because I don't want to risk my health. I have recently lost too many friends to such diseases and I don't want to fall victim to them too. That is why I need to lead a life that is as healthy as can be, he said. Bob said that at his age HIV was not his biggest worry, but rather diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart attacks, which scared him more, because a healthy lifestyle could prevent them to some extent. The radio veteran said part of leading a holistically healthy lifestyle meant that one had to explore different pleasures that life offered. This is also the reason why Bob has started attending theatre plays and polo matches. I don't go to polo events or opera or a picnic just because I'm able to. Of course, having the means to do these things matter, but I go there to expand my knowledge and perspective on life. I'll be at the hour, which for one always forces me out of my comfort zone, at least where fashion is concerned, he said. Bob explained that fashion had never been a big deal to him, saying all he owned was black and all shades of blue suits. He added that his wife has even had to intervene so that their looks match. My wife has recently shown more interest in my style because I made it so hard for her to look fashionable, so that should be interesting to watch. I own a lot of black suits and every shade of blue, but that's just as far as I was willing to go. But I was so proud of myself when I recently ventured into another color. I bought myself burgundy shoes and I'm thinking of getting a burgundy color blazer, he said. Yeah.